Hey guys, we're gonna be unboxing these and setting them up. So let's just get started. Let me just show you around the box a little bit, but there isn't that much information, by the way. But it's for your MetaQuest 3, by the way, and these will not fit on a MetaQuest 2. Alright, so this is it. That's all you guys get inside the box. Everything you're looking here. You get this, plus this, which is the manual, but you don't really need it because you're watching this video. I'm gonna teach you how to install this stuff right here in your controllers. It's gonna be very easy actually. You will see why we have all these things. So let's just get started with the setup. And before I do the main setup, I do want to show you these guys because I was expecting something with a little bit more grip to it. And what I see here is that it does have some texture to it, but I don't feel that much grip to it. And I did expect something more. But these straps, which is the most important thing, these feel really good. So that I gotta say, which is the most important thing, feels really good. So I'm happy about that. The grip wise, not so happy about that, but this makes up for it big time. Oh, and here's something I forgot to show you guys. This is important because a lot of people want access to their battery compartment right away. So this is the secret to it. All right, guys. So first steps first, we have to remove these covers. So these are your battery covers. That's a button. Press on it, and then that removes. Same goes here. You press here, so it's at the top. This will just pop out. Just have it on the side. Just put it away. All right, so before we install these, we have to take out the batteries as well. So just take them out for now. Then we're gonna put them back in. We're just doing that as of now. It's not the easiest thing in the world to take the batteries out, at least for me. So now we're gonna install these. You're gonna notice that this cannot go here, it just won't. Just make sure this part's going up. It does tell you which one's left, which is right, but you can't really get confused. That will go like that. This tab will go down, by the way. So down here, make sure it doesn't get in the way of those three dots. Yeah, see those three metal dots? Don't get those in the way. So then you wanna just press your battery down. It's in there. Pull this down again, make it around there. And then same thing here. So you're gonna have to put this like so, slide it up. So as long as you align it, you should be able to just slide it upwards and it should snap in. Now this part goes like so. This again goes inside. And that's just to help you get the battery out easily and not have to take out the whole compartment. A lot of people don't have the best batteries and they have to take them out quite frequent. I suggest buying batteries. This brand, they're really good. They last a long time. And they're rechargeable, obviously. Your final step is to put the covers on. You're gonna see which one's which because it cannot go another way. So you will notice that this will go with this one just because of everything. So right now, just slide it through. Just start off with this, slide that through. And you guys can just get it from down here below, pull on it, keep pulling on it, and there we go. It's just gonna slide right through. That will keep that right there nice and tight. Nothing should be getting in the way of the sensors that are here, which is very important. And now you have this doorway right here. I'm gonna leave that in there. We're gonna close this tab. So there we go. So that's your door to take out the batteries really quick. And you would just pull on this tab right here if you ever need to take out your batteries from now on. So that's why you don't need the stuff that you got with your controllers at the moment. Just put those away because this is all you need right now. So that's how this is gonna look like. And then you can just adjust this to however tight you want it to be. So it's gonna look something like so. So that's why when you're buying these, you have to get something that can be very custom. And the important thing about this is this part. It's the most important thing about this. So your controller won't slip up. It'll feel a lot better. You won't feel like you might lose control. It's gonna be anti-slip. Of course, you can put this on your wrist, but a lot of you are just gonna use this for now on. But that's how it looks like. It looks really good. So we're gonna do the exact same thing with the other controller. So let's get started. Yeah, so those are the points that you guys want to make sure it's nice and tight. So right here, that's supposed to be like so. And then your battery compartment, just make sure that's inside. And then there we go. You're all done. So the instructions for this might seem more difficult than what it actually is, but that's how easy this is. And they do provide with extras, just in case those break. Because at the end of the day, those could end up breaking when you pull them out. But you do have extras. So again, these are just extras. But these how these covers look like, and they're excellent. They look really good. They're for sure gonna keep and do their job and keep these guys safe a little bit, because I already hit the wall a little bit with this one. So that can happen. It's happened to you guys, some of you guys at least. And this will help out just a little bit with that. But hey, it's mostly for your grip. So they look really good. They're doing their job. And we're going to test them out later on, but I'm sure they're going to do it just fine. If there's anything, I will be making a review about these later on. This is just an installation video plus unboxing. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.